Hey everyone, welcome back to the Herbal Historian. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all things natural health and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into a plant that's been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits. Aloe vera. We'll explore its many uses, how to harvest it, and even some delicious recipes. Let's get started. Aloe vera, also known by other names like the miracle plant or lily of the desert, is a succulent plant that thrives in tropical climates. It's known for its thick, fleshy leaves that contain a clear gel packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But did you know it's more than just a soothing gel for sunburns? Let's take a closer look at its edible and medicinal uses. Yes, aloe vera is edible. The gel inside the leaves can be consumed and is often used in smoothies, juices, or even salads. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, along with B12, folic acid, and choline. Aloe vera can support digestion, boost the immune system, and even help with hydration due to its high water content. However, make sure to only consume the inner gel, as the outer leaf contains latex, which can be toxic. Now, aloe vera is famed for its medicinal properties. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, making it great for reducing swelling, treating minor burns, and healing wounds. It also has antibacterial properties, which can help prevent infections. Aloe vera is not just for the skin. It can be used to relieve digestive issues like constipation, thanks to its natural laxative properties. Did you know that aloe vera can even help improve your sleep? Its calming effects and ability to reduce anxiety make it a natural sleep aid. Simply having an aloe vera plant in your bedroom can enhance air quality, which promotes better sleep. You can also drink aloe vera juice before bedtime for a soothing effect. Aloe vera is a staple in skincare routines for good reason. It hydrates, soothes, and heals the skin. Whether you have dry skin, acne, or eczema, aloe vera gel can help. Its antioxidants and vitamins help the skin recover from sunburns and reduce signs of aging. Apply the gel directly to your face as a natural moisturizer, or mix it with other ingredients like honey for a DIY face mask. For digestive health, aloe vera juice can be a game changer. It helps balance the pH of your gut, supports good bacteria, and can alleviate heartburn. Remember, moderation is key, as too much aloe vera can have a laxative effect. You can also use aloe vera for eye health. For tired or puffy eyes, you can apply a small amount of pure aloe vera gel around the eyes. Avoid getting it directly into the eyes. The gel's cooling and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce puffiness and soothe tired eyes. Harvesting aloe vera is simple. Choose a mature leaf from the base of the plant, cut it close to the stem, and let the yellow latex drain out. This latex is a natural laxative but can be irritating if used incorrectly. Peel the outer leaf to expose the clear gel inside. Rinse it well to remove any latex residue before use. While aloe vera has many benefits, there are some precautions to consider. The latex found just under the skin can cause stomach cramps and diarrhea if ingested. Always ensure you're using pure aloe vera gel, especially if applying it to sensitive areas like the eyes. And if you're pregnant, nursing, or have underlying health conditions, consult with a healthcare professional before consuming aloe vera. Now, let's get into a simple aloe vera tea recipe. Start by boiling a cup of water, then add a tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. You can sweeten it with honey or lemon for added flavour. Let it steep for a few minutes, and enjoy a refreshing, soothing tea that's great for digestion and overall wellness. That's all for today's video on the versatile aloe vera plant. I hope you learned something new and are inspired to incorporate this amazing plant into your daily routine. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. See you next time.